Have you ever finished your usual walk, the one everyone calls the best exercise, only to feel like your legs are made of lead? That dragging heaviness, that dull ache, like your body is putting in double the effort just to keep you upright. You're definitely not alone, and here's the thing, it's not your fault. For decades, we've been told that walking is the golden ticket to staying fit as we age. But there's a surprising truth most people never hear about, even from doctors or trainers. Hidden deep in your lower legs is a powerful muscle that experts now refer to as your body's second heart. When this muscle goes dormant, which happens often after 60, everyday movement becomes harder than it should be. Walking feels tiring, standing feels heavy, and your balance starts to fade. Your energy dips, swelling increases, and stability weakens. But the exciting part is this: that muscle isn't gone. It's simply waiting to be reawakened. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do that with 3 gentle, easy movements you can try right at home. No gym, no fancy gear, no stress. Stay with me through all 3 steps because each one builds on the other. By the end, you won't just move better. You'll feel renewed, energized, and steady from the ground up. Before we dive in, hit subscribe, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. I'd love to see who's joining us today. All right, let's begin. Exercise 1, seated heel raise. Activate your second heart. Why this move makes such a difference? If your legs tend to swell by the end of the day, or you feel unsteady every time you stand up from a chair, this first exercise could change everything. Hidden inside your lower legs is a powerful muscle most people never think about, the soleus. It might not look like much, but this muscle plays a major role in keeping your body energized and supported. Scientists now refer to it as your body's second heart. That's because every time it tightens, it pushes blood upward from your legs toward your heart, helping fight gravity, ease swelling, and boost circulation. After age 60, this muscle often goes quiet as circulation slows and strength naturally fades. Walking alone barely wakes it up, but today you'll learn how to fully switch it on, safely, right from your chair. This isn't a fancy or intense movement. You won't break a sweat, yet it reconnects your brain, legs, and energy system in a way most exercises don't. And this is where true stability begins. If your goal is to feel stronger and more balanced with every step, we start right here. How to do it? Just 2 minutes a day. Step 1, sit up tall in a sturdy chair with both feet flat on the floor, knees bent at a right angle. Step 2, rest your palms lightly on your knees, or place 2 small water bottles there for gentle pressure. Step 3, keep the balls of your feet on the floor. Step 4, slowly lift your heels as high as you comfortably can. Feel the squeeze in your lower calves. Step 5, hold the position at the top for 1 to 2 seconds. Step 6, lower your heels back down slowly and with control. Don't let them drop. Step 7, repeat 10 to 15 times, 1 or 2 sets daily. This simple, steady movement wakes up the soleus and retrains it to do its job, pumping blood, improving balance, and recharging your legs with energy. Why it works and why you'll feel the difference? Every lift sends a clear message to your body: this muscle matters, stay active. Over time, as blood flow improves, you may notice lighter, less tired legs, reduced swelling around the ankles, more daytime energy, and a stronger sense of balance when walking. This isn't just exercise, it's the start of rebuilding the foundation of your strength. Consistency and awareness turn this quiet motion into real transformation. Who should take precaution? Although this move is very gentle, check with your doctor before doing it if you have a recent blood clot, DVT, painful or severe varicose veins, sharp or unusual calf pain. A small step with big impact. In just a couple of minutes, you've awakened the second heart that keeps your body stable and strong. Now that it's active, we can move upward to the next stage. Never underestimate the power of small, mindful movements. They're often the ones that spark the biggest changes. Ready for the next part? We're taking the same strength into a standing position where gravity meets control. Let's rise together.
Exercise 2. Standing calf raise, turning gravity into strength. Why this move transforms more than muscles. There's a small moment most people overlook, the instant you stand up and notice a slight wobble or hesitation before moving forward. Maybe your balance feels off for just a second, or you instinctively reach for something to steady yourself. You might think, that's just part of getting older. But deep down, you wonder if that's really true. Here's the good news. It doesn't have to stay that way. Deep in your lower legs lies a built-in power system designed to fight gravity and keep you steady. When this system is reactivated, it helps you move with confidence and control again. This exercise isn't about building bigger calves or pushing through a tough gym routine. It's about retraining your balance network, so your body automatically stabilizes itself when standing, walking, or reaching overhead. In the previous movement, we reawakened your second heart, the soleus muscle. Now it's time to take that energy and put it to action, standing tall, bearing weight, and reclaiming control of your body. This next movement blends strength with awareness, and most importantly, it's where balance begins to return from the ground up. How to do it? Step 1. Stand in front of a stable surface like a kitchen counter or a heavy chair. Step 2. Lightly rest your hands on it for support. Avoid leaning your weight forward. Step 3. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your toes pointing straight ahead. Step 4. Gently shift your weight toward the balls of your feet. Step 5. Lift your heels as high as you comfortably can, engaging your calf muscles. Step 6. Pause at the top and feel your legs supporting your body's full weight. Step 7. Lower your heels back down slowly and with control, as if setting something delicate down. Step 8. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times. Pro tip: try doing this twice a day, once in the morning to boost circulation, and again in the evening to reduce swelling and restore balance. Why it works. This simple lift activates two key muscles, the soleus and the gastrocnemius, the dynamic duo responsible for keeping your lower legs strong and stable. But what makes it truly powerful is what happens inside your nervous system. Each rise and fall helps your body recalibrate its internal sensors, the ones that tell your brain where your body is in space. This process, called proprioception, sharpens your balance and reaction time. Unlike walking, which only partially engages these muscles, this movement works them through their complete range of motion, helping to strengthen your calves for long-term stability, improve blood and lymph circulation from your feet upward, boost your energy levels, train your ankles to handle your body weight smoothly and confidently. In short, this is how you rebuild trust between your body and your balance. Who should be careful? Avoid or modify this exercise if you recently had ankle or foot surgery, feel dizzy when standing, or have serious balance problems or risk falling without support. If that sounds like you, keep practicing the seated version from exercise 1 and talk with your physical therapist before moving on. From unsteady to empowered. This may seem like a simple exercise, but its effects go beyond your muscles. Each controlled lift is a message to your body: I am strong, I am stable, and I am in control. You're building balance, awareness, and confidence, creating a foundation that supports not just your body, but your independence and vitality. Up next, we'll take everything you've strengthened so far and explore a deeper, often overlooked muscle that holds the secret to lifelong stability. Are you ready to take the next step? Let's go even deeper.
Exercise 3. Bent knee calf raise, single leg. Awaken the deep core of balance, the hidden muscle that keeps you steady. There's a split-second decision your body makes countless times a day, whether to stay upright or lose balance. It's not when you take a big stride, but in the subtle, unnoticed moments. Shifting weight, standing on one foot to put on a shoe, stepping off a curb. When your inner stability system isn't firing properly, that's when slips and stumbles appear. What most people don't realize is that deep within your lower leg lies a secret muscle responsible for keeping you upright. It's not the outer calf muscle you can see. That one handles explosive movements like running or jumping. The real hero of balance is the soleus, a deeper, slower, and more enduring muscle that quietly holds you steady every day. This final movement reawakens that hidden power source. The bent knee calf raise isn't just another exercise. It's a way to retrain your body's internal balance system. You're not just moving your legs, you're teaching your body to rely on awareness and control instead of momentum. This is what separates cautious movement from confident movement. Let's activate the strength that's been waiting beneath the surface. How to do it: slow, focused, and controlled. Step 1. Stand behind a strong chair or countertop and place your hands lightly for support. Step 2. Shift your weight to your right leg and lift your left foot slightly off the floor behind you. Step 3. Gently bend your right knee, not into a squat, just a soft, athletic bend. Step 4. From there, slowly lift your right heel as high as it feels comfortable. Step 5. Pause briefly at the top and feel the deep muscle engagement near your ankle. Step 6. Lower your heel back to the ground slowly and with precision. Do 8 to 12 repetitions on your right leg, then switch sides. Tip: keep that knee softly bent the whole time. This simple detail moves the effort from the outer calf to the deeper soleus, the true stabilizer of your posture and balance. Why this exercise makes a difference? When your leg is straight, your outer calf, the gastrocnemius, does most of the work. But by bending the knee, you shift the load to the soleus, the endurance muscle built for long-lasting stability rather than speed. Here's why it's crucial. The soleus is filled with slow-twitch muscle fibers that are designed for steady support and posture control, highly resistant to fatigue, essential for proper ankle and knee alignment, directly connected to your body's balance system. For many people over 60, this muscle goes dormant over time. It doesn't disappear, it simply stops being used. This movement reawakens it, reminding your brain and body that it's still capable of maintaining control, coordination, and stability. And the secret isn't about brute strength, it's about intelligent strength. This is how you train it. Who should be careful? Avoid or adjust this exercise if you struggle with severe balance problems, can't stand on one foot even with support, recently had ankle or Achilles tendon surgery, feel sharp or unusual pain when bending your knee. If that applies to you, try doing the move with both feet on the ground or check with your doctor before continuing. By practicing this simple, intentional movement, you're not just strengthening your legs, you're rebuilding your sense of control and confidence with every lift. From unsteady to unshakable. What you just accomplished is something truly special, something most people go their whole lives without realizing. You've tapped into a hidden system inside your body, one that's been quietly supporting your balance and posture since childhood, and could be the key to moving with ease and confidence well into your later years. This wasn't just about strengthening your legs, it's about retraining how your entire body moves through the world, steady, stable, and self-assured. Up next, we'll bring everything together to show how these three movements work in harmony and reveal one surprising everyday habit that could be silently undoing your progress. Let's finish strong together. You just reclaimed real strength. What you achieved today isn't about doing exercises. You've reignited a powerful inner muscle, one that pumps blood, supports posture, and keeps your body upright and balanced every single day. That's more than fitness. That's freedom. At this point in life, it's easy to assume decline just comes with age, that slower steps, stiffness, or swelling are simply part of getting older. But today, you've proven something different. Small, focused movement can shift the entire direction of your health. No gym required, no special gear, just your breath, your awareness, and a few intentional minutes of movement. These three simple steps, seated activation, standing strength, and deep control, form more than a workout. They're a ritual, a statement of self-trust, a reminder that your body still listens, still responds, and still holds untapped strength within.
And that's something no machine or medication can do. Only you can. So if you felt even the slightest shift today, acknowledge it. Don't forget to subscribe and type Second Heart Activated in the comments and join others who are taking their balance and vitality back into their own hands. Let's redefine what aging looks like, building not just movement, but mastery. Your path to stability didn't end at 60. In truth, it's only just beginning. Stay grounded, stay powerful, and remember, you haven't lost your strength. You're simply learning to use it in a whole new way.